Hi, this is Fiorella from anyhousecleaning.com and we are start cleaning this bathroom. The walls are from vinyl, plastic vinyl. A lot of soap scum because they are using soap. In case that you want to have a better shower or a better tub, use liquid soap instead of regular soap. We are putting some degreaser. This product is really good because it will take out all the soap scum from the vinyl walls. We let it sit. This is an empty house, so nobody is living right now in this house. Everything that we find inside the refrigerator or inside the cabinets, we have to throw it out. One person is cleaning the kitchen right now, vacuuming all the double ceiling where all the dust settled down on top, and I have another person cleaning the laundry area. Yes, a lot of grime on the corners. And there is another company cleaning the air vents. Can you tell us the name of your company, sir, so people can call you?
Yeah, Cleaning.
What is the number?
321-217-1128. We do dog cleaning and dry vent. We remove all vent and coil and blower, everything.
Okay, excellent. Thank you. So you can call our friend. He did a really good job cleaning the air ducts, and also he painted. He cleaned it. It's brand new. Awesome job. And if you need your house clean, your tile and grout clean, because today we also I'm gonna talk and clean all the ground lines that is really dirty, just call us at 407-572-4118. Thank you for watching. Bye.